Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll all the way down to the developers options section. So if the developer options are activated, the last one will be the developer options section, not the about tablet. And now just to hide them, you should click here once on the switcher, and now as can you see, the last section is the about tablet. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.